In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink two Instagram accounts. To get started, open the Instagram app on your phone and sign in to the account you want to manage. Once you're inside the app, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From your profile page, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then choose Settings and Activity. Next, scroll down until you see Account Center and tap on it. This is where Meta manages connected Instagram and Facebook accounts. After that, tap Accounts to view the full list of profiles currently linked together. Take a moment to review the connected accounts carefully so you remove the correct one. Now select the Instagram account you want to unlink. When the account opens, tap Remove or Remove from Account Center depending on the version of the app you're using. Instagram will usually show a message explaining what happens when you remove the account. So read through that information before moving forward. If prompted, tap Continue and then tap Remove Account to confirm the change. At this point, the account should be removed from Account Center. However, if the two Instagram accounts still share the same login, there's one more thing you need to check. Go back to Settings and Activity, then look for either Login Info or Password and Security. The exact label can vary slightly depending on your app version. Inside that section, disable shared login or remove the linked login account if that option appears. This is important because even after removing an account from Account Center, shared login settings can sometimes keep the accounts connected in a way that makes switching between them feel linked. Once that's done, sign out of Instagram completely, then sign back in using each account's username and password separately. Make sure you're entering the credentials for each account on its own, so Instagram recognizes them as independent logins. Finally, verify that each Instagram account can be accessed separately without relying on the other one. Switch between the accounts and confirm they are no longer connected through Account Center or shared login. If everything looks separate and you can log into each one independently, then the unlinking process is complete. A quick tip before you finish: after making changes like this, it can help to close and reopen the app just to make sure the updated account settings fully refresh. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked two Instagram accounts.